How to stay healthy during the ACA Healthcare debate. 5 tips from a health and fitness expert. Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. With the ongoing debate surrounding the Affordable Care Act, many people are concerned about their healthcare options and how they can maintain their health during these uncertain times. As a health and fitness expert, I want to share with you 5 tips on how to stay healthy during the ACA Healthcare debate. Tip 1. Prioritize preventive care. One of the best ways to stay healthy is to prioritize preventive care. This includes regular checkups, screenings, and vaccinations. It's essential to take advantage of the preventive care options that are available to you, especially during a time when healthcare is uncertain. By staying on top of your health, you can catch any potential health issues early on, which can save you money and prevent more significant health problems down the line. Tip 2. Focus on nutrition. Eating a healthy and balanced diet is crucial for maintaining good health. When healthcare is uncertain, it's even more important to focus on nutrition. Eating a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean protein can help you maintain a healthy weight, reduce your risk of chronic diseases, and improve your overall health. Consider speaking to a registered dietitian or nutritionist to create a personalized nutrition plan that fits your lifestyle and health goals. Tip 3. Stay active. Staying active is another essential part of staying healthy. Regular exercise can help reduce your risk of chronic diseases, improve your mood, and boost your immune system. Whether you prefer to walk, run, swim, or lift weights, finding an activity that you enjoy can make it easier to stick to a regular exercise routine. With the ongoing healthcare debate, it's essential to prioritize your health and make exercise a priority. Tip 4. Manage stress. Stress can take a toll on your physical and mental health, especially during times of uncertainty. Finding healthy ways to manage stress can help you stay healthy and reduce your risk of chronic diseases. Consider practicing relaxation techniques such as meditation or yoga, spending time with loved ones, or engaging in hobbies that bring you joy. Tip 5. Advocate for your health. Finally, it's essential to advocate for your health during the ACA healthcare debate. Make sure you understand your healthcare options, including what's covered under your insurance plan, and speak up if you have any concerns or questions. Consider contacting your elected representatives to voice your opinions and concerns about healthcare policy. By advocating for your health, you can help ensure that you and your loved ones have access to the care and resources you need to stay healthy. In conclusion, staying healthy during the ACA healthcare debate requires a proactive approach. By prioritizing preventive care, focusing on nutrition, staying active, managing stress, and advocating for your health, you can take control of your health and well-being. Remember that your health is your most valuable asset, and by taking care of yourself, you're investing in your future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.